Hey, it's your girl Maddie, and today I created this brown cut crease with pop of peach and pink, and also a little bit of glitter, of course. Now, if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching the video. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a big like, and follow my Instagram at GlamWithMaddie. Thanks so much for watching! As always, I'm starting off with a warm transition shade in my crease, and I'm just fluffing this throughout the crease, but a little bit higher up because this is going to be a cut crease, and I want to be able to see the transition enough. And I'm really taking my time to blend it through, because if this is smooth, then everything else will go on smoother and look really easily blended. Now I'm also adding to the crease area raw sienna and burnt orange. This just helps define the crease and make it a more darker brown, and it'll just look so much better the more actual transition shades you use. And just really blend it and work it in. Now I'm going in with a little bit of a smaller clean brush and just going over the edges to make sure it's all smooth out and the transition is very, very blended. Now I'm taking even a darker brown, and this is from my MAC Burgundy x9 palette, the middle shade, with a small brush, and I'm really, really defining the crease. Now I'm not trying to blend this too far up, just really keep it in the socket of my eye. So that's why I'm keeping my eyes open, so the color just doesn't get everywhere. And then I'm going back in with that clean brush and just really working it in with the rest of the shades. Now for the best but trickiest part. So this is cutting the crease. I'm using a really flat circular brush with my Tarte concealer. This is like the Rainforest of the Sea concealer, and I'm just going to cover my lid with concealer, but try to make it as specifically like curved as possible, make it as clean and sharp. So to do this, I use the very tip of the brush and not much pressure. And then right as soon as it's perfect, I'm going to go over it with a light shade of powder or like an eyeshadow to set it in place so it doesn't move or budge. When doing this step, really take your time, because the longer you work to make sure that the cut of the crease is really precise, the better the whole look will turn out. And it does come with practice. You cannot get it perfectly your first time. Now I'm taking a dense flat brush and a peachy shade from my Morphe 35B palette and just placing it and packing it onto the edge of the cut crease. And I'm blending it into the setting shade that I used. Now with the same brush, I'm layering on a light pink shade and also blending it in to the orange with the same brush. Now using my finger, I'm just packing on the white shade in the palette just to open and brighten my eyes even more. And just blending it again together. Now I'm using my Steel Up Magnificent Metals liquid glitter eyeshadow with a small brush, and I'm putting it in between the cut crease and the orange shade. Now under my eye, I'm smoking out some eyeshadow with the same 3 shades that I used in the cut crease. So that's in the Modern Renaissance palette. Now with a really small angled brush, I'm taking the dark MAC shade and putting it really, really close to my waterline and then blending it out with the same brush from earlier. Now I'm back with eyeliner. You can also put on false lashes, but I don't have any right now. So this is the final look for me, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and I love the final turnout. Now, if you want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow my Instagram at GlamWithMaddie. Bye!